Hello from Animal Spirits. Happy Sunday, everyone. These are intuitive spirit messages to bring you information for your highest good. Pick the symbol that sticks out to you, and that is your main energy for your message. Okay, for everyone that picked the skunk wants to tell us to remember to be important, to embrace the aspects of being in existence. You need to learn to shape your own environment. He is also telling me to tell everyone to look at the white on him, which stands for purity, and that you guys have a state of being free from any wrongdoing. Also, there's some of you that need to appreciate yourself as you age. Ask yourself, what age feels the most comfortable at where you're at now? You don't have to look like a fairy tale. Accept who you are, and you'll appreciate yourself as the older you get. Remember, take breaths each day this week. And to the ones that picked the red truck, expectations this week. I feel some of you guys are fearing your career. Try to reduce your stress. You don't owe them anything. Don't blame yourself. Use your feelings in a different way. Focus on the present. Simple your time. Think about a positive and fond memory from your past. That'll help you get through the week. Okay, everyone, that was your animal spirit message for the week. Bye for now. Enjoy the ride, and remember, the storm will pass.